We are gonna be rich.
The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner.
God, this is all going so smoothly.
Why do women have boobs? Hey, you got something to look at while you're talking to them.
I'm not above manual labor. Now on, we're all gonna do whatever I want to do.
Now, I may be an idiot, but there is one thing I am not, sir, and that, sir, is an idiot.
Mr. Pewtersmith, dinner's ready.
Bad, bad, bad.
Oh, God, yes.
Bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner, winner, bad, bad, bad. The winner.
God, this is all going so smoothly.
Seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV. But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Lucky there's a Family Guy. Lucky there's a family guy. Lucky there's a he's a family guy in the house.
All right, I do this every week in the opening credits.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bad, the winner.
And don't say the economy or Iraq or income inequality. It's got crazy so fast! Stop! That's my dog! We want actual money!
Famous guy, movie star. Seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece.
Everybody's heard about the
Kitchen restaurant customers. Testicles. That is all. Peter, what are you doing?
Quack. Okay, try this. Please send the lawsuit to our lawyer.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Oh, it's my pleasure. How bad could it be?